Come see 2412 Moon Ranch, a stunning DR Horton home in Ranches West. I am Carly Howard with the Rafter Realty Group. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has an open floor plan with a large living room into the kitchen area. The chef's kitchen boasts quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash, pendant lighting, gas stovetop, and a spacious pantry. Enjoy the privacy with a split bedroom design. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with dual sink quartz countertops, large shower, and a walk-in closet. Outside, you will have your covered patio and the shed for additional storage. Don't miss out on visiting 2412 Moon Ranch.